All right, today we're going to bring an endoscope, and this is actually the smallest endoscopes I work with. It fits in my palm of my hand. A long string. We're going to test it out. It comes with instructions. Now, before you start, you got to make sure you download the app, and then you have an unlock to unlock the actual, to remove the ads. So they give you that application for free. If you don't want to use it, continue to use it for multiple devices, you can use it for free, but it's going to come with ads. So you want to remove the ads, there's an actual code there for removing ads. Now, the other part is that you got to make sure you download the application. It's called Smart Endoscope, right? So once you install it, we're going to go ahead and start running the application, and by running it means that we're going to add it into the device. So what you got to do is you got to turn it on first. All right, once you turn it on, it's going to start doing the Wi-Fi. It's fully charged. We hit the plus, and we're going to say what kind of devices. It's a Wi-Fi endoscope. If you guys can see that, next step, and then next step, and then we have to go to the Wi-Fi, change it, make sure that you're on the set to the Wi-Fi connection. And here it is, Wi-Fi cam. Go back to the settings. We're going to open it up. Go in here, next. And there it is. It found it. So accept all, connect only one this time. So we're going to go connect and start capturing from the device itself. So once you set it up, it's very simple. If you guys can see the device, here it is. And now we're gonna test it out, so see how well it works. All right, let's take a look at a couple features. If you guys can see, it's active right now. Camera is capturing pretty good. It takes a couple pictures. So right now you could take pictures by pushing the button here. You can hear it, and then you could turn on the light itself too by holding the button down, and you'll see the light. You just gotta hold it down, push the one button. There you go. There's the light come out. Push the button down, the button. Do it again, and there it goes. So push it. It comes back on. Turn it off by clicking, double clicking on it. Power button is right here. Charging station is a Type C. All right, and this is gonna last you quite a while. And if you guys can see, the signal strong. So it's actually transmitting to my phone right now. And right now it's fully charged, so we got plenty of battery. Look at this. No memory necessary because it saves directly to your phone. So that is a big plus, especially these days that, you know, memory is pretty expensive these days. You want to make sure you transfer. And then if you want to email somebody quickly the information, what's behind the walls and so forth, or maybe damage, or you know, you want to get a quote and you want to give them pictures of what needs to be repaired underneath the walls or in the pipes. This is a great way to send them something valid and fast. You could even sometimes, there's options on the phone. We're going to set them up. You go galleries on your phone. You could take pictures. Right now we have it into video right now. And there's actually more options in here. You could switch the phone side to side view, if you guys can see that. If you want to see full screen. A lot of people use this with an iPad. They like to use iPads with it, and then so forth. So we're going to close this out right now, and it's going to take us back to the actual main system right here. So pretty much a lot of things you can connect to it directly. You can disconnect to it right now. We're going to connect back to it. It's going to initialize the connection, and there it is again. On a simple test, we're going to see how legible is actually the book from here. We're going to try to see if we can go through this pipe and see what we can see at the end. I'm gonna have to move it just a little bit back so you can see a little bit more of the actual picture in there. Let's go ahead and give it a try.